Subscribe to Civil Steps YouTube channel. Press bell icon to get latest updates.
What about the NGT? So this is important for your prelims also. NGT is a specialized body set up under the National Green Tribunal Act 2010 for effective and expeditious disposal of cases relating to environmental protection and conservation of forest and other natural resources. Now, with the establishment of the NGT, India became the third country in the world to set up a specialized environmental tribunal, only after Australia and New Zealand, and the first developing country to do so. NGT Act provided a specialized role to the tribunal so as to act on the issues where dispute arose under 7 specified laws. So these laws are also mentioned under Schedule 1 of the Act, that is your NGT Act 2010. So first is your Water Act, second Water Cess Act, remember these acts, all 7. Third, Forest Conservation Act, fourth, Air Act, fifth, Environment Protection Act, sixth, Public Liability Insurance Act, seventh, Biological Diversity Act. So these are the 7 acts which you have to remember for your prelims. Now NGT is mandated to make disposal of application or appeals finally within 6 months of the filing. So it is 6-month time period they have to finalize the case. NGT has 5 places of sittings. So the main one is New Delhi. That is, New Delhi is the principal place of sitting, and Bhopal, Pune, Kolkata and Chennai are the other 4. The tribunal is headed by the chairperson who sits in the principal bench, that is in New Delhi, and has at least 10 but not more than 20 judicial members, and at least this means 10 members are there, okay, and at least 10 and not more than 20 expert members. So it is like that, you can say 10 to 20 judicial members and 10 to 20 expert members. So minimum 10 and maximum 20. So remember this thing. Now decisions of the tribunal are binding. Tribunal has power to review its own decision. If this fails, the decision can be challenged before the Supreme Court within 90 days.